We're going to explain how to apply borders in Microsoft Excel. There are several ways to add borders to your cells, rows, or columns, making your spreadsheets more organized and visually appealing. First, let's talk about adding a border to a single cell. 1. Select the cell you want to add a border to. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. 3. In the font group, you'll find a section called Borders. Click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Borders box to open the Borders and Shading dialog box. Here you can choose from a variety of border styles, colors, and widths. 6. Select your preferred style and click OK. The border will be applied to the selected cell. Alternatively, you can use the Quick Border options in the Borders section. These offer commonly used borders like all borders, outside borders, and inside borders. Just click the one you need. Next, let's see how to apply borders to multiple cells. 7. Select the range of cells you want to add the border to. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired cells or by using the keyboard shortcuts to select a range. 8. Then follow steps 3 to 6 from above to apply the border of your choice. The border will be applied to all selected cells. Now, let's look at adding borders to entire rows or columns. 9. Select the entire row by clicking the row header, the number to the left of the column letters. Similarly, select a column by clicking its column header, the letter at the top of the rows. 10. Apply your preferred border style using steps 3 to 6 from above. The selected row or column will now have the border applied to it. If you want a more specific border style, using the Borders and Shading dialog box gives you complete control. 7. You can customize the border style by selecting different lines, colors, and widths. 12. You can also add a border to just one side of a cell, row, or column by selecting the corresponding border option from the Borders drop-down menu. For instance, you can add only a bottom border, only a top border, or even only a left or right border as needed. Remember to always select the cells, rows, or columns you want to modify before applying any border styles. This approach ensures that only the selected areas are affected, preventing any unwanted changes to your worksheet.